Hi everyone, welcome back to Goldfries. In this video, we are looking at the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Of course, this is not a full review video just yet. This is just the unboxing and first impressions video. Huge thanks to Samsung for sending over the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G over here. And I've been using it for a while, so it's not just very brief kind of impression. It's an impression after 2 days of more than 2 days actually of using this device. So before we continue with the rest of the details, let's head over to the overhead camera of which I recorded earlier as I unboxed the product. Let's go. Alright, so this is the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, and let's have a look at what's inside. Now I have pre-sliced this protective seal, so we're going to just open up this device, the box of this device. So it's sealed inside there. And what else? There's nothing else in here, no charger, everything else pretty much just said. Let's look at this. Yep, one thin piece. There should be some things underneath here. Give me a moment of trying to pull out through here. Right, we look at the accessories provided first before the device. Yep, so the manual, the paper, the charging cable, that's pretty much that. So let's have a look at the device right now. And I'm glad that they are not using plastic seal like what they usually do. So I'm just gonna nicely open it instead of tearing it away. So here it is. This is the navy colored unit. Nice. By the way, I'm recording using the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the A55 5G, so let's have a closer look. This is the 3-camera module. I'm sure everyone else is interested in this. And pretty much that. This is what the phone looks like. It's very nice. Over here are all the buttons on the right side of the phone itself. The USB charging is obviously at the bottom with the SIM card slot at the top, and pretty much that. Nice looking device. Alright, with the unboxing done, let me tell you about the device. It feels quite big actually. I have the S24 Ultra with me, so it's not as big but very close, and I have been a long time user of the S8 Plus. The S8 Plus does feel small compared to the A55 over here. The feel is very nice. It's not a curved, the curved body like the one on the S24. It's of a flat type, so it does feel like the various many other models that regardless whether it's from Samsung or not. There are many phones with this kind of design. It's nice. I like it. Totally like the feel of it. I enjoy using this phone. The screen looks good. It detects my thumbprint to unlock really well, really fast. No more misdetection like my older phones. Camera wise, it's nice. It does take macro, ultra wide, standard, and some cropped in zoom type of pictures. Overall, I've been using it to take photos and videos for the past days, and the photos, at least from what I've seen so far, turns out to be very nice. And then if you're interested about the video part, here's some recording for you to see what I have in store for my review video. Here am I at the walkway of the Taman Mutiara MRT station, trying to do some vlogging. My eyes may switch around because the camera is always here, and I tend to be looking at the screen to see my framing. And I am right next to the heavy traffic, so I'm going to find out the audio recording, which is my voice, and the surrounding, how good it is later, same as you guys on the screen. And now I'm going to turn the camera around. So this is the recording from the other side, which you can see. I am right next to the traffic over here. And yeah, I'm pretty much done with this. So thanks for watching this segment of the video. Imaging aside, the battery life seems to be very good. On a full charge, I think on my regular usage, I could last more than 2 days. This is inclusive of certain times I'm using it to browse content, like say when I'm on the public transportation and all that. Overall, yeah, really nice. And then audio wise, speaker is just from the bottom, so but the sound is nice. So listening to music as it is sounds good. Playing games, a bit, it's gonna be lopsided. Speaking of that, it plays game like Genshin Impact fine. And then the A55 here comes with Samsung's Knox. So as a device, it will hinder people from breaking in. You can have multiple locks, your passwords and such. It even has a secure vault for your protection. You want a privacy folder, but more of this Knox related content later. As in later, not part of this video, but later in further content, probably in a week or two. And then that's pretty much that for this A55 that's just launched at RM 1999. Really good device. I am totally pleased with it. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.